Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use GetResponse for beginners. So if you want to use GetResponse, there's a step-to-step guide on how to get started. The first thing you have to do is to visit the GetResponse website, then click on the sign up button, then fill in your details to create an account, then verify your email as address to activate your account. After that, on the step 2, you have to set up your account. So for you to set up, you have to log into your GetResponse account, then complete the onboard process by providing information about your business and your marketing goal. Then customize your account settings, including your email address and your domain authentication. After that, on the step 3, you have to create email list. So to do the email list, you have to go to the email list section, then click on the create list, then enter name for your Gmail list and click create. Add subscriber to your list manually or import them from a file. Then on the step 4, you have to design your email. Now navigate to the email marketing section and click on create newsletter. Now choose a template from the library or start from scratch. Now customize the template by adding your content, image, and branding element. Step 5, you have to set up an autoresponder. To go to the autoresponder section, click on create autoresponder, then choose a trigger for your autoresponder. For example, when someone subscribes to your list, you get the autoresponder. Now design the email that will be sent automatically and set the timing for when it should be sent. And after that, create a landing page. Navigate to the landing page section and click on create landing page. Now choose the template to customize it using a drag and drop editors. Now add forms, image, and other elements to capture leads and drive conversion. And after that, you have to set up a marketing automation. To the automation section, click on create workflow. Choose a template or start from the scratch to design your automation workflow. Add trigger action and condition to automate your marketing process. And on the step 8, you have to analyze your results. Navigate to the report section and view the performance of your campaign. Monitor your metrics such as open rate, click-through rate, and conversion, and use the insights to optimize your future campaign.